Good morning, Davenport students, and welcome back to gym. It is April 2nd. Before we begin, we want to make sure that we have some space to do our activities for gym today, that you are wearing sneakers and your parent or guardian is around to help you out in case you need any help with the activities. Activities, we are going to do stretches. Each stretch will be 10 seconds. That'll be jumping jacks, toe touches, arm circles, trunk twists, and balance on our right foot and left foot. We have some new Go Noodle activities. We're on the red carpet, chicken dance, and Popsico 2.0. And lastly, for our activities today, you can share a comment or a picture of what you did today. All right, we have our stretches coming up. I'll just follow along with you.
Stretch down as far as we can, almost touching our toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, we're going to do some arm circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hands in front, true twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Arms out, we're going to balance on one foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job, and I'll see you later.
On to our Go Noodle activities. We're going to search. We're on the red carpet. Here's we're on the red carpet. And that's what we're on the red carpet will look like. For our next Go Noodle activity for today, it will be the chicken dance. And that's what the chicken dance will look like with Maximo.
Greetings, my friends. It is I, Maximo. And today...
And for our third Go Noodle activity is another Popsico 2.0. And that's what Popsico 2.0 will look like. So I hope that we enjoyed our activities for today, and like I said, share a picture or a comment on our Google Classroom page and let me know if you have any problems, and I will see you boys and girls tomorrow. I hope you had fun. I'll see you later.